a legacy that's over 7 decades. REHAU has led the way across various sectors, consolidating its global presence. We are pioneers in industry solutions like furniture, building, automotive and industrial. Our ever-evolving and innovative business solutions have been redefining the way people live, work and engage with the world. With an insightful knowledge of the market and materials, complemented by state-of-the-art German technology and manufacturing processes, we are engineering progress, enhancing lives. Our success is based on trust, innovation and reliability. REHAU achieves long-term competitive advantage through our cutting-edge innovations and outstanding reliability. REHAU offers innovations and advanced systems to strengthen our global leadership in product, consultation and service. More than 25 years, REHAU India has developed a well-established network base in India with 1,000+ direct customers and 3,000+ retailers. We aim to empower the government's Make in India, strengthen with German technology. Edgeband gives more than just a finishing touch to your world of furniture. Here, we are unlocking the secrets to seamless elegance and unmatched durability with REHAU. Driving innovation in the furniture industry for more than 50 years, RAUKANTEX globally have become the #1 choice for the whole ecosystem of the furniture industry, providing collections, style, durability and ease of use.
REHAU introduced the game-changing RAUKANTEX UPVC Edgeband for the first time in India.
A sustainable furniture solution maintaining hygiene and non-toxic nature in its usage. DOP-free, antibacterial, antifungal, along with other material offerings like ABS, PMMA, PP and veneer for Indian furniture industry. RAUKANTEX Edgebands are easily available everywhere in a wide range of choices and are easy to install. More than 2 million Edgeband collection, 1,400+ designs, 500+ active designs, 200+ new additions annually. 4 promises you can rely on us. 100% matching Edgeband decorative design for any surface. Edgeband for application ranges. All gloss levels from excellent matte to mirror gloss. Variety of processing and decorative design diversity. Today, REHAU India has 2 plants in Pune and 1 in Vadodara with 4 station printing lines, high-speed multiple European extrusion lines catering the market potential. Our annual manufacturing capacity is more than 200 million meters with diverse portfolio offering various thickness and width of edgebands catering India's dynamic demand. 0.4 to 3 mm thickness, 12 to 100 mm width. RAUKANTEX Edgebands properties are machine friendly. This increases the machine life and low maintenance being a cost-effective proposition for our partners. What's more, the patented Zero Edgeband range is another revolutionary edgeband from the house of REHAU, helping achieve a seamless finish with no framing effect. These pro-invisible joint edgebands imply laser technology for a much superior joint between the edgeband and the board. The Zero Joint Edgeband Dynamic is compatible with other technologies like hot air and near-infrared. When you choose REHAU, you choose innovation and a commitment to a better tomorrow. RAUKANTEX.